Hey guys, welcome back to another day. I have a pineapple that I'm going to cut up with you guys. Just comes out. Okay. This takes a lot of strength though. Oh no, I didn't. Thought I cut too deep. Some parts looks as if it's going to be sweeter than other parts. I cut up there. Don't mind my hand movement. I'm not a skilled knife what? I don't know, but this is basically how Caribbean people. Then okay, let's see if we can salvage this. I'm gonna cut it into little squares, a cube, sorry, whatever it is. Alright, I'll leave this bit. This is what I got after so because the mask is not the thickest mask, it's going to be a messy process. I'm going to apply it maybe in the shower. I wanted to apply it where you guys can see it, but obviously, and then I might come back and show you guys how it's looking once it's applied. I have something was holding my hair, like a pony ring or something, and I can't find it. So maybe it's in my hair, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to share with you guys how my hair is looking afterwards. Good. It doesn't look good now. Look at my hair now. And no, it's not the water that have it heavy. As you can see, it's not dripping. It's the avocado that actually weighs down my hair. And I forgot how much I actually love it in my hair. actually forget that. And I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes. I'm going to use this shampoo here, White Rain, with any shampoo. Honestly, just one that cleanses my hair, and then this conditioner, and then that's it. I'll come back and show you guys how my hair is looking. Before I go, let's do a before and after. That is a lot better. So I'm gonna go let this sit, probably watch something for about 20 minutes, and then rinse and do my wash day routine. Okay guys, so it's been some hours later since I washed my hair. I have it in 4 twists, and I'm putting this shower cap over it to keep it moisturized, because I think I'm going to do my protective style for the school, for the beginning of school today. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be doing a Shein haul. So I ordered some stuff from my classroom, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those things. So I wanna say around 27 US, but I had other things there as well, so it came up to about $102. Shein cost me probably $1 and a few cents for shipping, which is strange. And yeah, so I bought some educational tracks. So I bought this is a 4-pack. They did not sell them separately because I didn't really want these ones. This one is the 6-pack. This one have almost everything that I want. This is the 6-pack. Just going through them quickly. This one has the alphabet, the numbers, colors, fruits and vegetables, farm animals, and opposites. This one's a nice one. Honestly, I think all 6 of these can be used in my classroom settings. Let's keep going. Okay, and these are like really cheap, maybe like a couple, which is not how I want it to be. These are colors and numbers. This is a stick on the wall, or maybe no, I saw that they had some books on sale, and in my mind I thought they were flat books, right? Like books that are maybe bigger than this, but they're flat. Maybe these are the books. Got a little square. So these are some colors. I think I was more thinking about the boys. I should probably got one for the girls. Yeah, and these are stickers. So these are some of the stickers that it has. That is that thing, and I'll see you guys later. So guys, I did my hair yesterday, and this is how they are looking now. I did some mini twists, and I'm actually hoping for them to last me closer to a month. I started at around 210 and I finished at 650 something. I am here at the garden, and I have some sweet potato here. As you see, it's starting to spring, and I have some over here that is tomato. This is what is it? Anyway, so I have this one here that I'm going to plant. I don't want to plant it too close to this, as it is going to spring. So what I normally do, you can cut it in half and let it catch root in water first. Where am I holding? So these are the things at the root, and then after they have a few branches, you just plant them over into some dirt. I'm using a glove. I don't really want to get my hands messed up, and the earth is very soft. Look at that. I'm just going to do about 2 inches, and all these things are on the bed, so we call it a bed for some reason. Just like natural things that will help to flourish the dirt. Just pack it down, and the same water that it has been going in, I'm gonna use it. That's it. So like every other day or so, I will come and check the dirt just to make sure it is still moist. And yeah, I transferred these, and they have been growing really well since I transferred them. The earth is really a great and fertilized earth. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know if you want more weekly vlogs. Until then, bye.